What up? What up? Sorry, I was texting the Discord. What's up, guys? Because if the stim news comes through, airlines, boom. That's all. That's all I'm gonna. Oh, boom. That's all I'm gonna say. Playing patience game today. The market opens in 10 minutes. Thank you guys for joining. Let me put this in the Discord, the live stream. Do I look good? Does it sound good? As long as you guys can hear me, that's all that matters. I set up a microphone over here, but I don't think it's actually plugged in. I still think I'm using, I have it plugged into my interface. I know how to use this thing, but I just don't think I think it's still picking up my laptop microphone, which is not, it's not terrible. But let me check. Let me see what we got going on. I just want to make sure I can hear everything. So I'm going to double check this live stream. Okay. All right. So I'm going to share this to the Discord. The quality is actually looking really good. I'm really excited. Really excited. So I'm going to post this into the Discord. Let's get chatting. If you guys could leave a like on the live stream, it helps the YouTube algorithm. The support's been crazy. We've had 11 new subs yesterday, and then overnight I woke up with like 8 more. This is just nuts. This is awesome. I'm just posting the live stream. Live stream, what's up, guys? What's up? We got the market opening soon. I'm up so much on Dpst this morning. It is a great day. It's a great morning. They're at $71 a share. So they're up 7% just in the pre-market alone. Whew, let's go. Let's go, dude. That's such a great chart to see. See that 1 month chart? Oh, it's kind of blurred. There we go. So I watched it bounce every day from $54 to 58 and back down. And now since August 6th, it's gone from 55 to 71 with no pullbacks, just like it did back in June. When I'm from 67 all the way to 115. So I'm really hoping, even if it does pull back today in the day and kind of sit around 71, that just keeps opening higher and higher. Because I'm sitting really nice. I'm up 37% on this. I made that Dpst video of how I'm loading up to double my money, and we're at 37% return. So we are on the way to doubling our cash. And then I'd have so much money to sit in options trade with. It would just be a great day. So we're going to watch the market open because I think we're going to get some sell-offs. Like BRKB was up to 215. Now it's at 213.80 in the pre-market. See, that's another one too. I sold them and made a 52% gain. If I was still holding them, I'd be up 250%. And it just, I don't even want to open the contracts to see what they're worth now because I sold them $10 ago. But what are you going to do? I secured profits. I didn't want to get too greedy. We have Spirit 1931. So I'm liking this. I'm really liking an entry today, and I want to play them for like a breakout. I think we could see them break out again. I would take profits at $22. So that would be about a 60% return on the contracts from what I'm seeing. But that's what I think I'm going to do today. I have a decent amount of buying power. So let me look at these contracts. I wish I could pull them up for you, like side by side. I just have to use OBS. I really have to learn OBS and we're good. Like I used to use it for streaming, but I haven't opened it in like a year and a half. Yeah, so I would play August 21st. Wow. August 21st. Okay, so Craft Poseidon asked American Airlines. You can if you want. I'm just not about American Airlines just because they're such a cheap price. They don't move very much. Let me go look at AAL. But see, because I'm more about no matter how expensive the stock is, I want to see it move. Well, I guess that looks pretty good. I think, yeah, they could take off. That could be a good move. You know, they're already up really big in the pre-market like all the airlines are, but we're still entering. Save is a good call. Yeah, honestly, Poseidon, looking at American Airlines, I guess, yeah, they're a little cheaper contracts. I mean, you could, if you really wanted to, you could make like a $16 call for September something, and it's only $100. So I'm just in on save because I played Spirit last time. I don't know if you guys saw my video where I was up a ton. The last time Spirit looked like this trend, and I hopped in at this price, and Spirit got up to $24, and I was up 143%. That's why I'm so bullish. And like, seriously, drop my phone. Seriously, like the airlines, I could buy this at 1930 right now, and if it drops to 1850, I wouldn't even bat an eye. Like, I seriously am that confident because the stimulus talks. We have the stimulus talks. Gino, yeah, sorry, I threw my phone. So that's why I'm so bullish on them, because I like this chart from a month or 3 months ago. So back in June, May 29th, okay? They're 20. I'm trying to do this. This is hard to do. I need to get OBS so I can just pull up my Robinhood right next to it. Everyone would watch. So rocketed, and they're kind of setting up for that same continuation trend, especially with the bailout. Yeah, dude. Yep. We do. I got DPST, my man. I love seeing you in the chat. Like, you still holding? I'm still holding. It's a great day in the neighborhood, and it's only getting better. It's only going to get better with this stock, dude. The banks are. I'm so happy financials are back. I was so like just confused for the last 2 months after it fell, and it's just been hovering around. I remember buying it at the end of June for like $60 a share, and it got down to 40, and I loaded up when it was $43 at its lowest point. Maybe it got to like 42, but when it was 43, I loaded up on DPST and was like, I'm gonna get as many shares as I can, and it's paying off. So I am so freaking excited. How far are you looking for save? So I'm gonna play September 18th to protect myself, but I might get a day trade contract just for fun. But yeah, if American Airlines climb past $16, it could go to 23. I mean, we're at trend continuation spot. This is exactly what we've seen back in June. We're having more stimulus talks. This is freaking insane, dude. C is running up. Let me check them out. So yeah, I mean, if you want to play American, that's fine. I'm just in on save. I'm like Citigroup, I'm assuming. Yeah, Citigroup is making a run up, which is great for DPST. Woo! Let's go, baby. Yeah, September 18th. That's great play, Gino. Seriously, those September 18th, that's what I want to get in on save. I just don't want to buy at market. Okay, so I'm battling between buying at market open or waiting, because you know what happened yesterday, and I got screwed because I made a SPY play and then SPY crashed. So that's the only thing that I'm worried about. But I really like these charts. I like the continuation. We just might have a rocky day today, but if anybody swung SPY from yesterday and today, you'll probably be up 15 to 20% on whatever you. And so like you can sell your SPY, get into this. You can hold your SPY. You don't even have to get in the airlines with us. I honestly was like, I'm never trading Spirit again because I screwed myself. But I think this is our second shot at it. If that stimulus news goes through, we get the airlines bailed out again, this thing's mooning. I'm not going to play Boeing. They're a little too expensive. UAL is also a great play. I just think they're going to be a little expensive on the contract side, but I really like their deltas. I was going to play September 4th on UAL. I just want to see if I have money after save because I want to buy more Spirit. Because these $40 calls are probably going to open up at like $300, and their deltas are 43, and their thetas are 6. Spirit's thetas are 3, so like 0.03. So that's why I like Spirit a little bit more. Even though they don't have like the chance to move as much as UAL, it's only by a little bit. Market opens in 2 minutes. So we're going to watch this. Spirit's at 1926. Even if it starts mooning, as long as I get in like around $20 or before, I'm not upset. I don't want to buy at open and then the market falls and Spirit's down 30 cents. I don't know if that's going to happen. I think with such a big pre-market movement, I don't think Spirit hits 21 today. I think they could hit 20 though, because everyone's talking about them, at least the airline sector. That's why I'm just so bullish on it. Docu's also up to 198 flat after being 195 yesterday. So that could still be a good play for today. I think everything except tech is a good play today, and tech could be a good play. I don't see a lot of money being moved in and out of tech right now. But man, DPST's got me happy. Okay, Berkshire Hathaway's back on the rise in the pre-market. Does not make me happy, but I'm chilling. I am chilling today. So yeah, I'm excited to watch Spirit open. Honestly, they could ride up like instantly. So be ready, guys. What do I think about Visa, Gino? I love Visa. I think they're one of the best companies out there. I've never traded them though. But dude, I wanted to own their shares. I meant to pick some up during the pullback, and I just remember seeing them at like 150 something, and I just didn't have the funds at the time. But I think they're one of the best companies out there for real. Visa. And they're already up in the pre-market today. Oh, we got an open. Spirit's 1950. Let's see what happens, guys. I'm going to sit and watch for a little bit. If it keeps mooning, you guys can hop in as soon as you want, but I'm going to play the patient game today. Playing the patience game. We'll see. Because Robinhood's always a little weird at the first hour of the day, where all these prices are like, are they real? What's going on here? You know? All right. So if I look at my Berkshire contract, I'm going to cry. I guarantee. Oh, yep. It'd be worth $2,100 right now. I sold it for $600 last Tuesday. Oh my gosh. Makes me sick. So Spirit's fallen a little bit to 1935. I'm going to pull up the Discord on my laptop. Before market close, looking good. Dude, Odie, that's a great play, man. Seriously. Great play. The financials are so strong. Financials are so strong. It's hard to beat these sectors right now that are just moving. But I think, yeah, we'll see Spirit sell off a little bit, and then we can make an entry. But UAL is looking strong right now. Starbucks, man. Oh my gosh, I almost bought them yesterday when they were 76.23 and they're 78.69. I was gonna make that call out in the Discord, and then I had Caterpillar, and I was gonna swing it, and I sold it, and they were up an insane amount of money. Docu's still falling, so let's just wait. Let's be patient. Cat 144.07 is falling. Yeah, the market's been doing. Oh, DPST's rising. Let's go. We're up 12% today, guys. We are up 12%. Dude, that's a whole bag. That's awesome. Let's go. 42% overall return, man. 43. It's still climbing. So awesome. So Spirit's down to 1923. UAL's down to 39.18. That's why we're holding. I want to see your guys' SPY contracts. Yeah, Spirit's still falling. So good stuff on holding out, guys. Way to be patient. Way to be patient. Your previous message saying big numbers on Facebook, please. NASDAQ down. Yeah, Russia came out with the vaccine. All airlines are ready to travel. Just asked how they're rallying. Market's crazy. Very true. I'm just reading the Discord real quick before hopping over to Robinhood. You have 3 SPY contracts. Yeah, I want to see how everyone's doing because I know we were swinging them. So Spirit's at 1916. So let's wait about 10 more minutes unless it turns around on us hard. But I think getting in, and this is a long-term play too. So if you guys get in with, oh my gosh, Berkshire Hathaway is just mooning. Oh my gosh. No way, man. My contracts would be worth 2,700. This is so tough, man. Oh, I should have held. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. And I sold too early. This is so tough. All right, let's watch Spirit a little bit more. They're starting to climb again, so that's good news. That's great news. SPY's looking good. The 335 call for 814. I'm just looking at SPY real quick. Good move on the SPY average cost of 228 though. Yeah, 319 right now on those calls. So you guys are killing it. Good moves. Good moves on that. Cat took off. Cat's the 145. Dude, I feel like you could put your money anywhere and be doing really good. Dude, I can't believe I screwed up on BRKB, man. I can't believe I left that much money on the table. Boeing going crazy. I bet, man. I bet it is. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That thing lifted off. It's probably going to keep going up. I'm just waiting to get into airlines. Oh my gosh, man, this is nuts. I look at Berkshire. I literally left 25 hundo on the table by selling it literally a week ago. So tough. Starbucks is still rising. Spirit's still falling, which is great for us, guys. We get to get in way cheaper and play the airlines. This is great. SPY is falling. I assumed that would happen because we had such a big pre-market after. Dpst is up another $1. Let's go. This is nuts. I'm up 45% all time. 45% all time. We got Energy Transfer moving up. Ford's up to 730. All hail. I'm so happy. I'll get my money back on these guys if they get back to 890. I'm down 18% on $1,000. I want to get out of there and trade it. I want to option trade this money. There's too much. Oh, you're up 43 on Bank of America. Odie, should I hold? Let me check out Bank of America. Financials are strong. Boeing's still lifting off, it seems. That's awesome. We're going to go into Bank of America. The financials are strong. It's totally up to you to hold. But from what I see so far, they haven't been sold off. Bank's still climbing. It's looking good, man. Just set a stop limit for yourself. DPST's up another $1 since the last time I spoke. Whew, we're pushing that $75 mark. All right, so Spirit's looking good. I'm going to buy one contract right now just to have for September 18th. I'll also type it in the Discord too because I can buy like multiple in a day. It's 19.19. I'm going to get a $20 call. Okay, awesome. So I'm going to buy one for now, which I have. Buying one right now. All right, so I just typed in the Discord. Boeing is going KT on the dip, trying to make a quick swing. I love to see it. That's awesome. That's so awesome. So I just grabbed Spirit. Currently just down 3% though. I bought it. I just wanted to have a contract, but I'm gonna buy more if it keeps dropping. Right at 9:45 is when I'll go in and grab 2 more contracts, and we'll sit with these 3. But I wanted to just get one to kind of split the difference. You guys don't have to buy yet. I mean, you guys can buy whenever, because it is lower already, down 3%. So you guys can save yourself a little bit of cash. UAL still falling. And then Spirit's hanging out at 18.91. So I bought right when Spirit was $19 was when I got in. But yeah, Boeing is going crazy, Malone. It's literally two more in a minute. I'm just replying to someone in the Discord. Jessica. Andressa Carr. All right, so if you guys could leave a like on the live stream, it helps out the YouTube a ton. It just means a ton if you guys could do that. So Spirit's at 1880. So it's still kind of hovering right there. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have yet to. The growth on the channel has been crazy. I mean, we've had 50 hours watched yesterday. It's been awesome. So Nail's kind of fallen. Deere is launching. Why is John Deere? I used to trade these guys at 150 and they're 193 a share nowadays. Crazy. So we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. Pretty natural. Spirit 1884 dropping a little bit. See, that's why we stay patient, because I swear the market every morning has such a big pre-market. Now, Aaron, I'm gonna just hit the like button. I appreciate it, Malone. Well, we're gonna live stream soon, man. Sunday nights, my brain's so boggled on what I have going on. But seriously, like, I'll just have to give you my phone number or something so you can text me and be like, hey, you ready? I'll send it to you over IG and then we can do a live stream. It'll be so sweet. Am I cashing in my Dpst? Aaron, no, I'm going to hold my Dpst for now. Yeah, Spirit's still dropping. So good thing you guys waited to hop in. Still dropping. I just grabbed one contract, which I'm totally fine with holding. Totally fine with holding through all this, because I'm going to grab two more in a minute. I am just really, my brain's exploding because of Dpst. This is awesome. All right. So we'll watch Spirit a little bit. Spy is chilling at 336. We might make an old reliable play today, guys. We'll see. We'll see. Just hopped into Spirit with you. Great call, Odie. I'm going to be hopping in around 9:45 is when I'm going to buy my other two contracts. I just wanted to let the market move a little, but I wanted to have once it hit 19, I was like, okay, just in case Spirit starts to take off, I just wanted to watch it. But it seems like almost every day we've had the market sell at open, and then you can buy around 9:45, 9:50. A lot of stuff starts to get its footing again and take back off. But there's exceptions like Boeing and Deere, who just opened and just to the moon they went. Dpst, to the moon it went. Starting to come back down, but supernatural. Supernatural for that. So yeah, we'll grab some more contracts in 4 minutes. I just like to watch the market shake out. I kind of call it like just a market shakeout. So I know I could have probably got it at 1868 when it hit it, and now it's 1880, but I'm more worried about protecting myself in the long term, because we are going to play the Spirit, because I don't want to have another Berkshire situation where I left over $2,000 on the table because I sold it a week early. Like that's tough. That's a tough spot. But let's make this money, and let's make sure Spirit's up to 1884. So Odie purchased at a great time from what I'm seeing, but we're gonna hop in real shortly. We're just letting the market shake out a little bit more. But I really like where Spirit's support is. We'll load 600 into over 3 calls, and we'll just hold these 3 contracts. See, I have the $20 call because I want to play this guy safe. I used to buy the $22 calls around this price so I could ride it up. The delta is just not worth it. For if you bought in the money, you could have a higher delta and protect yourself. Sounds good, man. Hit me up on IG. I'll be off this week. I have a beach house with some friends. Dude, that's awesome. You got a beach house with some friends. I'm jealous. That seems like a ton of fun. For real. For real, so cool. Saves lifting off. It's falling back a little. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens to the Spirit. I think we're gonna have some morning volatility, but I'm really excited to see what happens. But I'll cop some more contracts in 2 minutes, and then I'll sit and look for a day trade with you guys. But yeah, Spirit, I'm liking it. It's looking healthy, looking a lot healthier. But yeah, even if it pulls back, I'm really hoping you guys can get down on this call for 190 is what I'm hoping. I mean, you could have got it at 180 a little bit ago. It's currently sitting at 195. I hopped in at 200, so I'm down 2%. But I mean, I'm not too worried because Spirit's looking good. It's looking really good. So we'll wait for a little bit more. Yeah, so it's right at 200. I'm going to, I don't want to buy shares. It's up 17%. What I'm going to do now, it's 198. I think I have a buy. I'm going to put a limit in. What do I have this limit in for? So the contract's 198 currently. Spirit's falling back. So I just copped another one for 190. So my average cost is 195. It's sitting at 193 right now. So I'm down 1%. I'm just trying to give you guys live updates. Here's my position. I'll post that in the Discord in a minute. So we're down 4 right here. It didn't go through for the 180. That would have been so. Okay, it's 190. So I'm going to grab another one. And then we're just going to sit and hold. Or it was 190 for a second. So let me put in that limit order at 190. So now I have, hopefully this goes through. So I'll have 3 contracts. I'm waiting. Let's go through. Come on. Come down, Spirit. If this goes through, and then we'll play this really long term. It's currently 195. I got an order in for 190. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, 195. Lynn, that sucks that it didn't go through. Well, let's hope that they pull back so that you can get in. I'd be cool with taking a short-term loss so that everybody gets in. Because I need it to come back 10 more cents so my save contract will fall. And then I'll have, and I like the implied volatility of 95%. It's not over the top and it's not low. Like Spirit's been a little low, but they get traded a lot. So I've been curious to watch it. So yeah, we'll have that 190. I just need it to fall one more time so I can get in at 190 and then watch this thing moon with everybody. What's up, Sean? Hey, I saw your comment where you were saying that you need to hang out in the Discord more. I forgot to reply. I'm up $6 on save right now, up 1.5%. Let me post that to the Discord too. Just grabbed a second. And then I'll talk to you. Just grabbed a second contract at 190. And then let's sit and watch it. I want to get a third one if possible. So if Spirit could fall back down a little more and hit 190, and then we'll sit and ride these out at probably an average cost of 193. So yeah, how's your morning going? Pretty good, Sean. Thanks for asking, my man. Pretty good. We just hopped into Spirit. We're sitting at break even. I actually want it to go negative a little more so I can buy. I have a limit at 190. It's sitting at 195 for the $20 call. Then it hits that. We're playing it long term. This is something that I think we can hold till the end of the week and then make a decision on what we're going to do with it. A lot of stuff's looking bullish. Dpst 73.55. Hopefully these save calls can make up everything you lost in Facebook. Hey, that's the plan, man. Owen, that's the plan. But yeah, Lynn, I hope your order goes through. I hope we get some sort of a pull back to where you can hop back in. But yeah, I'm just sitting at break even on Spirit. I'm liking them. They're consolidating pretty well. I just need to fall back a little bit. UAL is looking great too for entry. I mean, they're right at 39. This is a great morning. I'm just texting a different group. September 18th. Yeah, so my morning's going pretty good, Sean. I'm just texting a different group right now to tell them the save contract, $20 call. My average is 195 currently. Long-term play. All right. All right, so save's still 195. So if you could pull back so I can get this other order filled. Cop 2, trying to get a third. Trying to get a third. There we go. All right. So yeah, let's keep watching. The market's looking all right. I mean, we could have a little And honestly, like I want Save to pull back a little bit more so that we can get in at 190. That's what my cost, my limit order is for another Save contract is 190. So if we can hit that, the deltas are looking great at 50 cents per dollar movement. We could get a 40% return if this thing hits $21, if not more. I mean, we're in a really good spot. Okay, it's pulled back to 193. Hit 190, fill it, and then we're going to look for some day trades. Facebook seems to be good. But yeah, I mean, Spirit's looking really good, guys. Seriously, I'm really happy. I'm really happy it fell down to where it did so we could enter. Don't forget to the like on the stream. It means a ton. It's good for the YouTube algorithm. I'm going to be live for the rest of the week, too, from 9:30 or 9:15 to about 11. We'll just chat, talk about your plays live. I realize now that the Discord's as big as it is, all right, my contract filled. So now I have 3 contracts of an average cost of 193. So I'm probably down pennies or up $2. I don't even know. I can't even. Up 5. So yeah, up $5 on my 3 contracts. I'm going to send the screenshot to the chat so that they know what's up. Position on save at everyone. Actually, I got to make sure I post this. Yeah, I was going to ask you when you started doing these live streams. Hey, I appreciate it. So it's just an idea. I watch Trading Fraternity a lot. I really like his content, and he goes live 9 to 5, and I'm like, I feel like I don't have enough to talk about for 8 hours. You know, I think it would kind of drive me crazy. But if I do a couple hours here and there, then we can just play the power hour in the morning. Or I was thinking about doing it at the night too. Doing it at night. Good SPY moves, everyone. Love the swing action. Love the swing action. So yeah, I really appreciate it, Sean. Like I just did this because as big as it is, I realized that, and you know, people can't watch every day. I realize that too. So maybe sometimes someone's free on a Thursday and they're like, oh, I can watch the live stream. When they could just be like, what are you doing? And I'll be like, all right, I'll show you guys live so that you're not confused at the price I'm entering. Ford's lifting off. That's awesome. 735. Let's go. Let's keep it up. So yeah, I just wanted to do some live stuff. It's just in a really great spot. I'm really happy with look at that chart. Like, boop, found support. Let's just keep climbing. I'd love to see this thing hit 20. What's up, Jabari? You can join the Discord. Let me grab the link and post it in the chat. Thanks for hanging out, man. Yeah, let me send you the link. Don't forget to hit the sub button if you're new here, man. I'm going to try to go live Monday through Friday. I'll do some classes sometimes. I'll share this real quick. Let me grab that. I'm trying to copy right now. I do live classes sometimes just to talk about like risk management and all that stuff. It's completely free to join. So I'm just trying to, you know, do the people's work. This should post. Let me know if it posts. I just put it on my phone. You guys can see right under Jabari. You bought JMIA this morning. Is it falling? See, I just took off my watch list because I was going to swing them and I've heard like nothing. And I was so scared of their earnings implied volatility because their earnings are tomorrow. I didn't want to get IV crushed, but JMIA is one of those stocks that can just rip to the sky. So just be patient. I mean, even my save right now is 188 and I bought 3 contracts with an average cost of 193. Be patient, but if it does get really, wouldn't worry too much about what you lose today because you can always make it back tomorrow. Is kind of my philosophy. If you lose stuff today, you can make it back tomorrow. And I know it kind of sucks because you're always working from the ground up, like, oh shit, I got to go make this money back. But if you got patience, you can play the long-term game. You can enter some really awesome calls and just make it back. So I might play a SPY trade. Starbucks through the roof. Are you kidding me? Oh, wow. Those weeklies are probably up a ton. 322%. 322 on these Starbucks calls. See, I want to enter, but I feel like it's too late. I don't want to chase. Man, it's really hard to know what to do here. Because I could always just screw around and buy like a weekly and see what happens, you know? Something fun and dumb. Oh, that's a lot. I'm not going to put that much in if I do. I'd probably buy 2 contracts and just mess with them. Yeah, it's just crazy, man. Starbucks to the freaking moon. Wow, this is such just a crazy day. Crazy day in the market. I'm gonna watch Starbucks pull back a little bit. Potential trade entry. But it would be literally a day trade. I'm just gonna put it's gonna be like a weekly day trade. I'm gonna watch it fall a little bit more and then potentially make an entry because they did this yesterday. They fell at 9. They ran up really hard, then fell, and then ran up again. So what'd that fall? The support 70. That was down 12. So we're gonna hold out for a second and hop back in when Starbucks hits on the way up. I'm currently looking at 79. If I bought it, it would be one to where like if the stock price moves 20 to 30 cents, I'm out of there. Like a short penny stock day trade style, even though it's not a penny stock. I'm just saying like that's kind of the way I'd look at it because short gains. But luckily I didn't just hop in or I'd be down like $20. But we're just gonna watch. Spies kind of pulling, spirits chilling. Spirits just chilling right now. So Starbucks is looking a little better, a little more promising for us. Little more promising. But yeah, I got a couple comments I got to reply to that were in the other live stream. Starbucks is still chilling at 79.33. Thank you guys for watching though. It means a ton. But yeah, if I make this entry, it's like one of those high risk lotto plays. I don't know if you guys have heard of that because Starbucks is still tanking. So I want to see if they gain, because if they could remount up to at 79.61 and we hop in, let's say at 79 flat, we could easily get a 15% day trade today and just move on with our lives. After entering our long-term spirit calls and Starbucks, I just like them. They're a little extended and like the money is to be made in the long term. If we would have bought them at 75 and rode them all the way to 79, I mean, they were up 300% between yesterday into this morning on this weekly play. So let's just watch them. If they start to remount, I'll hop in. I'll give them one more green move, and then that's my sign. Nope, it was red. But we'll see how much they move by because they're actually looking not bad. We'll see if we can get in on something just for fun. Sit and watch it. Yeah, because these contracts are just blowing my mind. Yeah, they're still falling. So we'll sit and watch it for a little bit. Starbucks still pulling back. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask. We're looking at these Starbucks calls right now. I want to do, wow, they are falling. 79.10. We almost entered up at 79.50. They rode up. So let's see. This could be a good point for me to enter, actually. I just don't want to get like really screwed and be down a ton and be like, what'd I do this for? All right, we'll see what happens. I just bought 2 contracts for fun. I'm down 5% already on Starbucks, but I'm gonna play these guys for a weekly trade. I bought them at 79.15. So if you guys want to hop in, It's going to be a really quick day trade, but I'm only going to hold these for hopefully 30 minutes, if not less. So we'll remount, but if Facebook continues to tank, I just like where it's at. I feel like it's like little consolidation range for another run. The stocks ran about 3 times a day, every day this past week. So that's kind of the philosophy I'm going off of, which could be bad because they found support at 935, made a run, and they're still searching for a little more. So we'll see what happens, but I only put 100 in. So we'll sit and watch. And if I hit my stop loss, I hit my stop. So let's just watch Starbucks. We'll see what happens. SPY did tank down really quickly. Glad we didn't enter. Happy you guys sold out of SPY this morning when you did, because we could re-enter now for cheaper. So yeah, let's just keep watching. Let's keep watching for potential plays. I'd love SPY play around 1030. I think that would be really cool. A really good move. I hope, Lynn, if you're still here, I hope your 180 order filled, because I know Spirit dropped a little. So I hope that filled. My average cost is 193. So I hope that filled for you. That would be great. But yeah, I think Starbucks seems to have found some sort of support line. It's standing still on like this little flat wave. But yeah, I'm pretty excited for today. Nail, I mean, Dpst is hanging out, trading sideways, which, I mean, hey, after these 2 big move days, up 35% in the last week, up 42% in the last month, and that's the boat that I'm in on them. I mean, hey, we will take that any day of the week, guys. Any day of the week, and Starbucks is still falling. So that was that's why I played that super small, because we were getting hurt. We were down 20% on this little $100 fun play. Should I make the call for 338? Oh, it just filled. That's great. That's great. It just filled for you. That's what we love to see. Yeah, I think we're having a little SPY pullback, and SPY will push back in the day. I like where SPY is. I just want to wait because yesterday we got screwed around 1025 on SPY. So wait till then with how the market's been moving. But you could hop in now. I don't see anything wrong with it. But you could. A really popular strategy is to see where the bottom is before it starts to take off again. So whether you think, so you can look for that little V pattern before hopping back in on SPY if you want to make a play on them. Or you could just say, hey, full send it now like I did on Starbucks. And it's kind of chilling around where it found support earlier. Still down 20%, but I only put 100 in, so $20. We are trading, but yeah, save still falling, which is fine. But save's long term. So I'm feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good about it. BA Soren. I'll have to check it out. Check it out for sure. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel and the support. I'm going to go live throughout the rest of this week for new listening. I'm just typing in the Discord right now. Going to see what's going on. Save's getting cheap. Save contracts getting cheaper. Long term, boys. Long term. As long as you're not playing anything too crazily, everyone should be having a good day, a good entry time. But yeah, Spirit 1866 according to my SPY turned down a little bit. Starbucks is just consolidating, still down 20% on them, but it's a fun little trade. Deere is mooning. Deere is almost up to 195, breaking out of their 52-week high. Look at that stuff. Oh, look at that. Look at that moon. Look at the past week, or the past month. They're up 20%, dude. John Deere. I used to trade these. I don't even want to know what these look like. Yeah, 60%. That seems about right for a Deere trade. 200% on the weeklies. Yeah, those are just risky, though. I used to trade Deere bi-weeklies or 2 weeks out. just for fun. But man, they are booming. DPST's booming. It's up to 74.50, hitting a new high for the day, up 13% on DPST today. That's like Mayweather status, man. That's awesome. That's like bet. Now let's go bet all this on something. No, put it all in black. Oh, Starbucks is still falling. This is rough. I think I entered a really poor play on Starbucks, but it was just for fun. But I'm gonna hold it. Not too upset. SPY is still falling. If we find some support, we can hop in, but I'm not gonna hop in. That's why we should have waited yesterday to do, and I totally just got ahead of myself and was like, full send it, guys. Full send. Full send is ahead. So it was tough. Berkshire Hathaway, though, I mean, that could be a good day trade too, or if you want to play it long term. The money's definitely in long term for trading, but the options are awesome, man. Why is SPY dropping? I'm assuming SPY is dropping because Microsoft is selling off and Apple, and that's 11% of the entire market. Or sorry, not market. That's the 11% of SPY. So that's SPY is an ETF holding. So that's 11% of it. I'm down 30% on Starbucks now. Whew. What's up, Jared? Thanks for hanging out, man. Have you seen an alien? I have not seen an alien. That would be pretty crazy. But yeah, I'm assuming it's because look at this Facebook, just down. I mean, it's just a red meter down. Or did I say Facebook? Apple. So, and I'm into the airlines. Fall swipe calls from 15. Dude, that would be pretty crazy. But yeah, thank you guys for 20 people. Make sure you hit a like on the live stream. It's good for the YouTube algorithm. Down 50 on save, but we're going long term. Yeah, so it's a pretty good day. Thank you guys for all the likes, dude. 12, let's go. Yeah, I'm down on save still. I have 3 contracts at 193. They're currently 173. Let me check out IVR. Actually, good. Ooh, JMIA is falling another $1. That would have been such a great put play. I'll look up IVR for you real quick. I just want to look at these puts because they're down 13%. Hit those stop losses and get out before you guys get too hurt because they're still falling. I knew it was going to be earnings hype. I'm so glad we didn't play earnings hype. That would have been so tough. JMIA puts are up 50% today. Nuts. Would have been a great entry. Would have been a great entry. Starbucks is starting to come back up a little bit. Well, it's really just trading sideways for now. But once we see money go back into Apple, I'm surprised AT&T is breaking out too. You can hold SPY into tomorrow. Just be careful with the theta decay. But you could hold SPY into tomorrow if you want. I entered save. I mean, I'm happy with my entry at $19 or like $18.90, even though it's sitting at $18.51. Down 12%, but we're playing this so long term that any turnaround for me is a great day. But UAL is actually falling quite a bit. So let's watch that. But SPY is reversing. You guys can hold them if you want to. Totally up to you, though. Starbucks is falling. I'm still going to hold this because I have so little into it that I'm not going to panic sell it yet. We'll just watch. We'll watch Starbucks. We'll see what happens. But it's kind of consolidating right now. You had since yesterday. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, Jabari, I would say if you hit your stop loss, if you ever set stop losses, just be super strict to it. I don't want to give advice of like, buy this right now, sell this right now, because no one knows exactly what to do. DPST is up 11% today, just like yesterday. That's such a great notification. See, like I even bought Save. You could say I bought Save early because it's down to 170 and I paid 193. But See, and my advice is like, if you lose, just make sure you're willing to lose, like what you put in, whatever you put in, be ready to lose it or half, or if you put $300 in and you're down 150 and you don't want to lose another 150, sell there and just put it somewhere else that's where money's going to be made, instead of holding on to longer term stuff that's just going to keep clobbering you. I need to hop into the Discord. I haven't been there in a second. But the reason SPY's down is because Apple is literally down $6 a share in 12 minutes or whatever. When should you go into SPY? Go into SPY when you see it starting to go back up, because I think it's a lot better to wait for that spot. SPG doing well. Apple, you see SPY dropping. So what do you say? Very glad I sold SPY when I did this morning. Good moves, guys. I'm just gonna say good moves. I'm down 60 on save, but we are long term. I assumed there'd be a sell-off, but I think we would have bounced back by now. Let me check SPY. You can enter now if you want. I love entering anytime between 9:45. We just really gotta, it all comes down to Apple. And finding some support, I would just hate for it to break through. But hey, it could be a great play. Could be a great play. I'm not going to enter SPY yet. I'm just, because I'm waiting to watch Starbucks. I just don't want to have so many plays going. My buddy sent me a picture. What a goon. What a goon. Just buy a call. So someone said. I was getting a little greedy with SPY, hoping to get out with a 75% return. So you got in at a great price. You were probably up 40% this morning, or 30, Lynn, and it looks like it's coming back up. So that's great news to hear. Yeah, I see a lot of stocks finding their consolidation range. I'm just gonna wait a little bit because I got so much tied up right now. I want to make sure that I. Did you buy Starbucks? I like it right now. I really do. 78.52. I bought Starbucks this morning at 79 flat, and I'm down 40% because I bought a weekly. So, but I only put $100 in. So like, I'm not too worried if Starbucks makes enough. Thank you guys for ending the stream. If you have yet to sub to the YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. I'll be live the rest of this week, spitting knowledge, trying to make some plays with everyone. Don't forget to join the Discord too. The link's somewhere in the description above or whatever. So I'm going to go to, SPY is kind of hanging out. Spirit's coming back a little. I like that little green candle. 60, but I'm pretty happy with Spirit overall right now. I could see a run. I could see a run to like 1950 on Spirit today. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. SPY still falling. Starbucks still falling. BRKB is right where I was watching it. It's starting to take off though. Man, I want to get back into BRKB, but it's just so painful. If I would have held my contracts, I'd have so much more buying power. Deer's fallen down. It shot all the way to 195. So, okay, so if SPY is at 335, should I buy a 336 call? 336. You want to, honestly, for SPY, be as close in the money as possible. If you could buy a 335, do that, because then the contract will move as if it's in the money. So like you will make, so like seriously, these SPY calls probably cost $2.50, but if it moves $1, you're gonna move up about $100, or if not 80. on just a dollar movement of SPY. That's why SPY is so goated. It's literally just because the delta in the amount of volume. I feel like, guys, I'm gonna let you know a little secret. I think SPY is free money. I think it's like literally free money. It's whether you buy, because you could buy for a year from now. You could leap it, man. Imagine buying SPY when it's 228 and leaping it, and this guy's holding it up like probably 2,000%, if not more. SPY is literally free money if the market doesn't ever do a downturn. That's just my opinion. In the money is above the line. In the money is below. Once anything below at the money is the one right above the line, and then out of the money is all of them to or further out. SPY's looking good. I might make an entry with everybody. I just don't want to lock up all my funds and then we see something run and I'm stuck here like, well, there goes my plays. It's the only thing I'm thinking about. But Boeing it ran up to 189, fell back. Now it's on another run. So Boeing was a good move for today for anybody who played that. Let me hop back to the Discord, see if anybody's got some questions. Got a save call. We got these for September. Let's check them on Friday and see where we at. An extra week. So yeah, that's kind of my plan. Boeing's taken off again, up a whole dollar. It looks like SPY remounted. It's looking good. SPY's looking good. I might hop into a day trade on SPY real quick. It'd be funny. I just enter and it plummets. So yeah, SPY's looking pretty good. Starbucks is on the climb. So anybody who hopped in at 78.50, you're doing good. I'm only down 28% now. I was down 40%. So come on, Starbucks, bring it on. Bring it back up to me. Bring it back up. But thank you guys. Thank you, Jared, for hanging out. Zach, Lynn, Jabari, Brian, Miguel. Who else is in here? I bet Sean's still in here. Aaron, Malone Money. Check out Malone Money's channel. Malone Money Mindset is one of the OGs on YouTube. Him and I have been chatting and hanging out forever. Please go check out his channel. And we have been streaming for an hour. I'm not even hungry yet. I feel like we could do this all day. We'll keep watching. We'll keep watching for plays. I love Spirits back to 1870. It's a great day in the neighborhood. SPY is moving, so I'm gonna hop in. I could be screwing myself here. But let's see. Off. I think tech's starting to get some money back into it. Oh yeah, BRKB's taken off, which means I bet Apple's back up. Yep, it's found its support. That's how you know if it's gonna be a good day in the neighborhood or not. I'm only down 22% on Starbucks now. That's great. I'm gonna actually enter a third contract just for fun. We're gonna enter Starbucks is still climbing. I don't think it's gonna hit my limit, but we'll put it in anyway. It's still climbing. I don't think it's gonna hit it. Oh, that's tough. Patience, boys, patience. Apple's still up, climbing. SPY, good old reliable, baby. It's still climbing. I'm getting in. I don't want to miss out on the gains. Hold this. We'll make a day trade on it. I'm gonna only hold it until about 11 so I can just move on with my day. How much? I have 4. That's how much. So I'll just buy one. Then we can update the Discord on what's going on. Fall back down so my order can fill. All right, yeah, it did. $22 for save. All right, so yeah, you cut your losses. Good job hopping into Old Reliable. The SPY, Facebook's just tough, man. It was overextended, and I don't know. Tech got all the money moved out of it. The fact that you're 11% on SPY already, dude. Oh, Reliable. You guys should only trade SPY. It's awesome. Just hopped into this for a day trade. See, it's so hard for me to entertain the Discord, do day trades, do a live stream, and keep everyone updated on every single play right when I make it. And make money at the same time. So I'm up $2 on my SPY day trade. I'm just shooting for a 10% gainer today on this. Because SPY could pull back. But I'm really looking, it's a great day in the neighborhood so far. I just need my Starbucks to come back up. I wonder if my third contract bill. That would be so cool. I just for fun. I have one that's 46 cents. It's at 48, and if it fills, I'd be so happy. But we'll put that in. Who knows if it'll hit the limit. SPY pulling back a little bit, but the market looks strong. Apple's looking good. It is falling a little, but hey, it really looks like it's in a really good position for a good day trade on SPY. Uh-oh, I got a third Starbucks contract. I'm down 14% on Starbucks right now. So let's see what happens with Starbucks. 78.76, the current stock. I didn't want to miss out on the Facebook gains, but I jumped the train too late. Should have put that in SPY. Hey, it's all good, man. It happens. Facebook, we'll watch them. I mean, they'll probably go up a little bit, but you were so far out of the money, it was just a lot. But hey, that's what Old Reliable's for. It's the easiest way to make that cash back if you just play it long term. SPY's gonna drop on you. SPY pulled back. So we'll see. We'll see. Thank you guys for hanging out. Don't forget to leave a like on the live stream, sub to the channel, join the Discord. It's going to be a great day in the neighborhood, I think. I can't buy another one of those calls. It's too expensive. I was going to buy another SPY one to pull my cost down. All right. But damn, it could be a good move. Yeah, so we got Starbucks at 46. It's chilling on the contract, down 12%, looking to day trade it. Save's chilling at 175. It did fall down to 165. I'm down 9%, which is fine, dude. This is long term, baby. All day, every day. My average cost is 54. So if they move 10 more cents, baby, let's go. We're back in the profits range. No one's ever gone broke taking profits. Oh, that's funny. That's so funny. Yeah, so we're just up on the day, boys. So this is a great day. I got a YouTube video I'm editing right now. I just need the thumbnail to come back. I got a couple friends that can do it, so I'll chat with them, see what they're up to today. They want to get some of this action. But yeah, I'm down 3% on my SPY call. Just entered a tiny bit too early. I'm down My Starbucks for fun call 10%, but I only now I have 150 in it. So that's fine because they just have to move 20 cents. Save's coming back out of the dead, down 7%, but we're playing long term on that guy, so nothing to worry about here. DPST's looking good still. I love that Starbucks chart. UAL is looking better than it was. Docu's still getting hurt. SPY is climbing a little. Shopify is interesting spot. I'm glad they pulled, but I really want to enter a Shopify call, like a long-term one. If they pull back to 900, Shopify, I honestly think Shopify is worth 750 a share, honestly. But with the hype, Q2 revenue, it's 97% gain. Dude, there's money to be made there. It just sucks because the premiums cost 5 G's. Unless you play out of the money, and then you got to really hope that they move, which they do. Shopify, not Spotify. So we'll see. We'll see about that. Berkshire. Amazon looks like it's about to start growing again, which is great for SPY because tech and Amazon's teched in. Facebook's climbing a bit. Apple's on its way. Starbucks is on its way up. We're down 4% now. Yeah, so this is SPY's going up. How do I sell once it's good to sell? You go to trade options, you hit sell, and then you swipe over to the limit price spot, like where the bid and ask is. I'm trying to explain it without, and then you type it in to the, like your limit price of what it is right now, and then you swipe up or what you want to, and then you wait for someone to buy it from you. General Electric went up. That's great. That's great to hear. Starbucks is back up. I'm right at where I bought it. So we're just chilling. SPY's chilling on us. 2%. Save, chilling at 175. So yeah, we're in some good plays right now. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Apple 446.51 looks like it's about to launch again. So SPY's looking good. We are at break even on our SPY call for the day trade. We have Starbucks for the day trade. 4 weeks away. You got it, dog. You got it, Miguel. Thanks for all the support, my guy. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks to all you guys for hanging out in the stream. It's so awesome. And I stream on Twitch too, but I just play video games. I don't know if anybody's trying to watch me play Fall Guys for like 2 hours. So, but I want to trade stocks with you guys for sure. Why is my phone? This is interesting. Maybe just because I'm using it. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. Oh, someone else was talking about Yelp. Let me go check it out. I heard one of Trading Fraternity was trading Yelp, so I'm gonna go check it out. Can't believe it's already 10:30. Jeez. Well, I mean, it didn't really move that much. I bet the contracts did well. But yeah, if you bought it at 21 and still holding, that would have been a really good play. But I'll do some more research for you guys, let y'all know. So Starbucks is chilling at 54, right where I priced it. That's my average cost. I got 3 contracts for fun. We're trying to day trade this on the next mount and takeoff. We got SPY. I'm up $4 on. I only put 233 in. We're trying to day trade this, make 10 to 20%. When you day trade SPY, which call do you buy? So I buy the in the money one. I buy the one that expires Friday of that week, so that if I get screwed on Monday, I can hold it into Tuesday. Or if I get screwed, like yesterday, how we all got hurt on it. But then today, you guys were able to sell it for 30% return. So that's what I'm doing with SPY. And then I'm going to sell Starbucks later once I make some money on it, and then move that into SPY too, depending on how everything's looking. So yeah, I always buy the 14th, like that weekly one. I just don't want to buy the daily one because I can get really screwed on that, and I'm not trying to do that. DPST's flying. I know, Ethan. It's so fire. I'm glad everyone's just going hard in DPST. I mean, it's up to 7308, 7402, dude. I'm up 12% today and 44% all time. I've never made this much money in a day in my entire life. So it's just crazy. I'm hoping the SPY stuff keeps going. We're just hitting it out of the park, man. We got the whole fam on the DPST train. The whole fam's up 44% right now. From the time where I was like, you guys better buy. 44%, man. The average market return is 8% a year. We just did what the market does in 5 years in a month. 1 month. It's awesome. Just by clicking this little stock with the ticker DPST all day, baby. Everyone knows. All day. Best stock out here. I wish you could options trade it, but you can't. So we got our Spirit's climbing. It's at 175. We got the 3 oh, it's up a little bit more. Oh, United's coming back. United's making it's already up $1 from its low point. That's awesome. SPY's kind of hanging out still. I was making money. Now it's falling back a little. Let's check Starbucks. 7904. It's right where I bought it again. So it's chilling. We're having a good day. I'm looking for another breakout, though. I'm really excited to see what happens. Really excited. Is it getting dark in here? I don't know if you guys can see. I know I have the windows, but yeah, I prefer talking without the AirPods in too, because then they die and no one can hear me and I have to restart my stream, which is what I'm not all about. But I'll probably stay live a little longer than 11 today. I got my water. I kind of just want to keep watching the market with everybody. Check out the Discords. So saves up to 183 on this contract, guys. Let's keep it going. Starbucks is up to 54 cents. Don't forget to leave a like on the live stream if you have yet to. Anything looking like a buy today? So Ethan, I'm day trading SPY right now, the 336 call for August 14th. If you just want to buy stocks to like sell, and if you don't want to options trade, which I don't blame you, it's super tough. Is there anything I like as a buy right now? Mainly, it's hard to tell. I like actually Spirit options would be cool. If you have like, you could buy a contract of this and let it ride out if you wanted to. But do you want to? Are you talking about buying a contract for options, Ethan, or you want to do a just buy stocks to hold it like DPST move? Because I can look for that. I'm liking Microsoft right now. Yeah, that's why SPY's down. Microsoft fell on us again. It was up to 205.50, and now it's down to 204.61. DPST, man, it's riding. Let's go. It's up to 74.50. Damn, SPY's down again. How many times a week can you buy and sell the same day? Just 3, but or at least on Robinhood. You can do it unlimited times on Thinkorswim. You can do it unlimited times on TD Ameritrade if you have a cash account. And then, but they lock your money up until like 2 to 3 business days. So like if you day traded something, you think you should hold my Starbucks one? I'm up 12%. Yeah, if you want, definitely. I'm holding until I think Starbucks will break out to about 79.30 again, or maybe they refine resistance later at 79.60. But I'm gonna hold. But you could sell now. Maybe it dips a little, and you could buy back in if you got your day trades. But hey, being up 12%, that's not a bad day on trades. Probably more of a buy and hold deal. Yep, totally. I understand that. It's completely hard for me to know exactly what is a great decision versus one that's not so great, but let me check. I really like Microsoft. Microsoft's not going to be like a DPST where you load it up and it doubles, but Microsoft's like at 204.80, this thing can ride back up to 212, 215 in the next month. But buy and hold deal, let me see if I have, or JMIA is really popular, and that's dipped quite a bit, and the earnings are tomorrow. So that could be one that you buy and hold, but also the airlines. If I were you, you could hop into Save right now, SAVE, that's Spirit, and hop into Spirit. I'm hopped in right now. JMIA is still tanking, so maybe we don't hop in. But either JMIA or Save. But I really like Save. I think they're strong. But we could see Spirit. Spirit would be one where it like gets from $19 to $22, and then we all sell at 22. Is kind of my plan. So that's an option too. But DPST, I think that was the move a couple weeks ago, and I'll look for more of those like daily inverse stuff that we can play. Those 3 X's, man, because that's where the money's to be made. But if you want to buy some long-term growth stocks, like for a couple years or whatever your plan is, Apple's going to be hard to beat. I was going to say AT&T is a great dividend stock, but you have to have a lot in it for it to like make a decent amount. JMIA is looking good as a potential entry. I'm not going to enter though because we have earnings tomorrow morning. The implied volatility is probably crazy. But let's check them out anyway. Might as well. Spirit's looking good. I'm really liking this. I'm only down 4% now. It's a great day in the neighborhood. Like I said, it would be. 1743. So it's actually looking pretty healthy. See, I'm just going to check the IV on these contracts. Don't forget to hit the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm if you guys are new. Subscribe. Check out the Discord. I'll send you the link if you need it. Thank you guys for hanging out. All right, JMIA. Oh, there we go. Clean that up a little bit. Just a little bit. Not a lot. Just a little bit. Calls. Let me check these JMA calls for the implied volatility now that Alex said something about them. Yeah, so their implied volatility is 260%. It is through the roof. So if you were to day trade it, I think this could be a good potential entry because it's up to 1760 already. Do not swing trade this stock. With earnings tomorrow, the implied volatility could crush you. So I'm just going to throw that out there. But it was oversold. This could be a good time to hop in if you're going to day trade them because that delta is awesome. But just be really careful. Just be really careful. Be careful. I don't really have the cash to enter because I got it locked up and everything else right now. We got the long-term SPY. I'll keep JMIA on my watch list though, so I can. Oh, SPY's shooting off to the moon. We are up $12 on them right now, or 5%. I only got one because I could only afford one because I put the rest of the money in Starbucks, which is also lifting off. It's a great day in the neighborhood. Yeah, I'm liking it. We're up good today, guys. I'm up $7 on Starbucks now, and I'm up 13 on SPY or 12 or whatever. We're going to hold SPY, though. SPY is going to be a trade where we sell that later. Look back at Starbucks. Heck yeah, man. I'm so pumped right now. 79.11. I'm up 2%. 3 contracts. Average cost of 54 cents. It's a great day in the neighborhood. You're up 18. See, I should have waited to. You were the one who knew it. You know what you were doing, Christian. You should make my plays. You should say, hey, wait on Starbucks. I'm going to buy at the absolute bottom, and we're going to make $18 on one contract. It's crazy. So good play on that entry, man. It's awesome. JP Morgan Chase was a popular play for this morning. I saw a lot of people playing it in Discords. Check out a different one. Okay, got some question. Spy, baby, spy. Let's type that into the chat. Around what time do you usually sell? Yeah, just when it's up. I set like how much money I want to make off a trade and ride it out until I hit that spot. So like I'll set a 20% for day trades, or sometimes it's 15 if the market's like shaky. Other times I just let it ride out, or I play it long-term like save. Just minimize my risk as much as possible, but have fun with short-term trades like Starbucks, to where, oh, if I made $20, I can buy a share of AT&T, or $3, you know what I mean? Like just something fun like that. You guys are killing it, making money all day, every day. The market's like literally, for me, it's literally free money. It's so weird. My brain just sees stuff happen. Like I'm like, oh, okay, Starbucks looks like this is a good time to enter. I literally can't even explain it. But I just have a really intuitive feeling with like, okay, this seems like a good spot to enter. My exits though, because I just get so excited when I'm up like 30% or 50. I'm like, dude, you just get so excited. So you could sell at 20%. I'm up on Starbucks 8% right now. So I'm honestly gonna ride them a little bit longer. I was hoping to make $30 out of this play for fun. I'm up 13. SPY, I'm up still. They haven't really moved from where they launched to. And Save, contracts up to 188 because Save is $19 a share. So we're in a good move because they move like 5 more cents. We're back to break even. Yeah, who wouldn't sell at 20%? So that's the thing about options too, guys. You will literally make what most long-term holders make in a year in a day, and then they sit there and are like, you could just, and then roll that profit into a long-term holding, and you are creating a money machine that's working for you, so that when you go to work every day, you're like, oh, I'm at work today. Well, that's cool. Well, okay, I can make 200. You know, like let's say you made 25 an hour, 8 hours a day. You make $200 before taxes every day. And if you got some money in the market, you can literally make an extra 30 to 100 to 200 a day, or play it long term. Like literally the sky's the limit if you do both of those. Yeah, the option wave's cool. It's just scary because stuff can turn around on you and you'll be down money. But the options wave, if you buy leaps, dude, I'm telling you. Ethan, I'll get you into some SPY leaps this weekend. I'll come back down or something, or whatever we do. Next time I see you, I'll get you into some like SPY long-term contracts once we kind of figure out what the stimulus is doing, and you'll be up like 30% by year's end. Like I bet. My buddy bought them 2 Fridays ago, a SPY call for 2021. Like that. Oh, I need to plug my laptop in. I'm at 7%. My charger's back here. He bought 2021 SPY calls, and he's up 18% on them. He loaded $8,000 into SPY calls, and he's already almost up $1,500 in 2 weeks on a SPY leap. Say less. It doesn't make sense to me on why the stock market's a taboo topic. Anytime someone asks what I'm doing career-wise, and I say I'm trying to make it investing in the stock market, yeah, you get a weird look because people lose money because they panic sell and they use their emotions. And I'm not saying like it's hard to make money as far as like consistently in the stock market, but if you look at the time you spend at work and the time you could spend trading, especially options, you like seriously, you could make consistently $100 a day, and then let's say you go to work part-time and make another $100 a day. I mean, that's awesome. But seriously, man, you can really do it if you just make smart plays, you manage your risk, and when you lose money, you just know you'll make it back. It does take stress off having extra income besides the stock market, but I mean, it is what it is. We do what we can, and SPY's running pretty well again. I'm up 3% there. Starbucks, I'm back to where I bought it. And then Save, we're playing it long term, is right around to where I bought it too. So great day. Great day. We're playing long term. Playing these long term. Yeah, so that's just how I feel. That's my opinion. So I don't know about y'all, but my mobile Robinhood is glitching like hell today. Josh, I had a bad experience right at 9:30 at the market open. My Dpst price didn't update until 10 minutes before the market opened. And when it said it was 71, I got up and started dancing around the room. So I know I'm with you though, Owen. I know what you mean. People look at you funny when you're doing what you really love every day. It's just, I mean, I get even right now running the Discord, just shouting out plays for free, helping people specifically with the one-on-one consulting, just that it's awesome. I love helping people and people watch my videos. I get to do what I love. And like, just because I'm not making money off YouTube ad revenue yet doesn't mean, it's not like the whole overall goal of everything, but I still love what I do. So it's not like, I mean, I'm up a lot today in the market. It's a great, great day in the neighborhood. But once you like what you do, life's so awesome. I'm here from Cali. You woke up at 6:30. Miguel's here from Cali trying to make some money. Oh man, that's crazy. Yeah, you wanted to come hang out at the live stream? No, I hope you're learning, or at least you're making money or something right now since you woke up so early. I'll go live later in the day. Maybe not today. Oh, connection unstable. Yeah, so the market opens. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Let me go okay, we're back. The market opens at 9:30 Eastern, just 6:30 Pacific time. Because I was trading at 7:30 in the morning when I was staying in Colorado a couple weeks ago. What's up? Watching SPY rally and our Spirit play long term. I mean, everyone, I'm back to break even on Spirit, so the sky is the limit, boys. Hurt me for 700. Yeah, the market, man. I love trading early though, because then you can trade. You can literally trade for like the first 2 hours, like 9:30 to 11:30. You can make $100 or whatever you normally make, and then literally move on with your day. You can do it. You could travel. That was the cool thing about Colorado. I would trade, make like $30 in the car on the way to like go hike a mountain. And I'm like, oh well, this is awesome. Now I'm gonna go have fun. But when you lose, it's like, that kind of sucks. But either way, I mean, the market's open early. You can literally get in and out and then make breakfast and live the rest of your day like you normally would. So let's check out Save. It's at 188. SPY's falling a little, which is fine because Apple's falling. But Apple's in I think when Apple runs up again, it'll be in a good spot. My dividend payment, the dividend payment is for August 13th on Apple. I'll get $328 for my 4 shares. I'm up over 1,000 from buying those a year ago. So awesome. I should have bought way more shares. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, SPY is really reversing on us. Might be able to get in cheaper. We will see. Let's check out Nail. I'm interested to see what they do. That's awesome to hear. I think Nail's 46 right now, or 45. What am I YouTube algorithm for the live stream? We're doing good today. SPY's climbing back up, back to break even on SPY. We're just trading for fun. Let's make some plays, some better plays. I want to sell my Starbucks soon, but it's not moving. I'm up $7. I was up $7 like 15 minutes ago. It's 46. What's 46? Nail's 46. Don't listen to me. I know what I was talking about. 46, baby. Yeah, that's great. My dad loaded up on Nail at $11. So he every day is just like, he shakes his head. He's like, how do I have a 300% return on a stock? He's like, I used to buy CDs at the bank and make 5%. And I lock my money up for a year. Like that was back in the 90s. He's like, this doesn't make sense. I was like, dude, just buy stocks when the market crashes. You're literally guaranteed to make money. Got in and out of Starbucks. Definitely worth the day trade. Good stuff, Josh. I mean, that's a pog. And that's a Twitch thing, but I'll put pog in the chat for that. It's awesome. Thank you guys for watching, though. I mean, 18 consistent viewers for an hour and a half. I'm going to push the stream to 11:30, and then I got to get cracking on some YouTube editing. We're going to watch our trades, hopefully hop out of Starbucks by then. I'm waiting for it to move. I think it could shoot off because it's been consolidating, but I'm going to be careful with it, too. I'm up, like I said, just the $7 like I have been for the last 15 minutes. So we'll push the stream to 11:30, and then gonna stream until 11:30 on YouTube. Come hang out. All right. Send the link. DLC has to send the link. I think this is the link. That's the Discord link. Just send the Discord link back to the Discord. I should be the top one on YouTube because I'm streaming, right? Yeah. Oh, it is kind of dark in here now. Thanks, Cameron. I appreciate it, man. You've been in since the start. Dpst. I need to get better lighting. I have a light, but do you think if you hold Starbucks until tomorrow it was still high? No, I'm gonna sell it. If I did that, I would buy the swing trade at a 3:50, like at 3:50 p.m. or right at market close. Which I don't know if you're Eastern time zone or what time zone you are, but I could kind of explain it a little better that way, like time zone based. But yeah, I buy 10 minutes before market close if I'm going to swing anything, unless I really like the trend. Like Caterpillar, I should have swung that yesterday, but I didn't. Starbucks is up to 60. We're up 10% or $16. Trying to make this to 30, and then we are hopping out. So that I'm going to watch this, but I kind of wanted to ride to 50. If I could day trade it, get a little bit more. If I can make $100 today day trading, and I got this long-term spirit, I would be so excited. So yeah, let's ride that Starbucks up. We're up 10%. It makes me almost wish I would have put my whole account in it. Like my whole, yeah, I'm up 15% now. Starbucks is mooning. Up $31. I'm still gonna, oh, it's back to 25. Is because it's moving so quickly that I think we're gonna get buyers coming out to hop in. I could be wrong though. We could see Starbucks go down and you guys are like, he should have sold. So I'm up 15%. It makes me wish I would have threw $1,000 in here because then I'd be up $150. You're up 30% on Starbucks. That's what I'm saying, man. The money is out there. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm going to post this to the general chat. I like going live too because it helps me manage my emotions, so I don't get like upset if I'm down too much. So it's at 61 now. It's fallen from being up at 63. SPY, I'm up $7 or 3%, and then saves hovering at 188. So yeah, I'm gonna hold Starbucks for a bit longer. It's great that Brian, you're up a ton. Starbucks is just chilling now, but I wanted to do another run. I think that'd be really in here. Jeez, man. 819 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. It's awesome. So freaking awesome. Very green behind the ears. New here. Thanks for hanging out, KL4. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and all that stuff. It really means a ton to me. We're watching all these different stocks today. How are you feeling about JMIA this week? It's looking good this weekend, but might need to close my spread. Dude, I'm 50-50 on them right now. I do not know what is happening. I really don't. I don't know why they fell that hard. Their earnings are tomorrow. I assume more people would buy them. I think more people will start to buy them. Let me check them out because they're plummeting again. They fell 12% with earnings tomorrow, unless people don't think they're going to have good earnings, but they're literally earnings in the morning. I'm going to turn this light on. Let me see. Actually, I have a different light I can use. Get this cool one. I'll see if the lighting's a little better. I'm not digging it right now. What's my computer at? 18%. That'll be all right for now. You can always plug it back in. I want to get good lighting up in here, so it makes sense to. That looks a lot better. Jeez, I should have did this a while ago. So yeah, I don't know, dude. I'm 50-50 on JMIA right now. I'm not loving them because of how extended they are, but they're not a bad company or stock. I just don't know where the investors' monies are going unless they're just plummeting into Starbucks and save. I mean, I'm cool with that. But I don't know. People all of a sudden got bearish on them today. Their earnings are tomorrow. If they post good earnings, their stock price should rise. I'm just not going to play it because the implied volatility is too crazy for me. Man, could you imagine if we loaded up on these contracts at 36 cents? We'd be up, when it was at its low, we'd be up almost 100% on this play. Instead we're up 12 on Starbucks. So we bought a little too high. But we got long-term save pumping out for us. SPY is doing really well, up 5%. So we'll do a couple day trades here on it. And then, yeah, SPY. And then where we are now. It's funny. But SPY's all-time high is 338.34. So we're pushing all-time highs in the market. We got Pogs. What's up, Max? Thanks for hanging out. We're just chatting stocks. Wow, Berkshire's got that really green candle. Missed out on that. Didn't really have the funds or see that coming though. So tough to look at that September 18th call. I mean, that just hurts knowing that it did what I wanted it to and I called it and I sold too early. Hurts. So yeah, once we see Facebook remount one more time, we could have let's say Apple wishes. Did I say Facebook? I meant to say Apple. Presently, I am in red with MCRB. Well, let me check that out for you. KL Ford. I gotcha. I gotcha. Oh, they're a penny stock. Pretty much. Well, what price do you buy them at? I really don't know how to, I can't really give good info about these therapeutic ones. as far because they probably do some like COVID treatment stuff, right? Because they're a biotech. Yeah, I see. I don't know how I feel about it because I'm not a big biotech guy because it just feels like gambling. But not saying this is a bad move. Sorrento is a really solid company. Okay, nine. Okay, so you bought it then, and you're still in the red. Did you buy a call? I'm assuming. What call did you buy? Gosh, I bet those options went crazy the day it popped. That's awesome. Facebook's looking strong. I'm not going to enter. I don't have the funds, but man, that does look real strong. We got Starbucks over here up 8%. And we got SPY up 3%. And we got our save contract at break even. Don't forget to subscribe button if you guys are completely new here. I know I've said it over and over, but I just like to. 20 likes on the live stream with 20 people watching. Amazing. I appreciate it, guys. Seriously, it's awesome. I got video coming out for you. Hopefully tonight. I just have to completely edit it, and I have to get my buddy to finish the thumbnail, and then we are good. But if not, it's going to be 100% out tomorrow. I just kind of recap last week's trades. No call on Facebook for me. Okay, no call. I don't know how you're in the red if you bought it at $19.99. You should be good. Unless you just mean today. Yeah, Owen, I know. It's so tough when that happens. I think you did the right thing, though. I think playing it safe, because Facebook's one of those that even if it does take off today, it could also come back down so fast. So I wouldn't worry too much about it. Just know you got into SPY, which is right now up for me 8%. So you're probably up a lot. So just know that you're already back to making that money back. So that's the way I would look at it if I were you. Just kind of be careful. Be smart, be safe. Make the good plays, and dude, you're going to be doing so well, Owen. It's crazy. The amount of like how smart you are right now with everything that you come to me with is just insanity. It took me, I've been trading for almost 2 years. I didn't start making video, not options, but just trading stocks and watching the market. Crazy, man. You're so far ahead of me than I was. It's so nuts. I used to only put, here's the funny thing. I used to just put, Alex to answer, Brian. I should have gone in with Facebook. Facebook's looking nice, but I think it's going to pull back a little bit more. Look really strong though, and it's got the hype behind it. It's just too high for me to enter currently. But I would buy like 3 Ford shares at like $8, and when it went up to $8.20, I'd be like, oh, I'm up 60 cents. Should I sell? It's so funny. You literally just get so comfortable with trading and just making moves and stuff that you don't have to think too hard about it. At some point you'll get like it's awesome. But how smart you are, Owen, it's awesome. But I mean, I just not hopping on Facebook because I don't want to get the FOMO thing to where it's 265. If I would have bought just then at 265.20 and it's down to 264.90 now, 264.70, I just can't, because that'll let my emotions of like, well, if everyone's making money on the stock, I should too. And then you hop in and now it's 264.63 and you're like, oh, I could have hopped in now. So like the FOMO thing and like the emotions trading stocks that are running is just so real that even if you miss something that would have bagged you 100% return and you get 30% somewhere else, just be happy that it didn't go negative and that you weren't sitting there like, okay, I'm going to chase this because it's already up 100% today and then it goes down. It's all emotional management. That's why you can get really good at trading if you just master your emotions. In my opinion. Microsoft's 206.18. It's taken off. That's why SPY's just taken off. SPY's gonna hit 337 today. I see Apple like Apple's about to launch, SPY's about to launch, and with Microsoft. So it might pull back a little. Starbucks pulled back a little, but man, if we see that 79, 79.50, 79.45, oh, it's gonna be a great day in the neighborhood. It already is. You did Uberlin and you're up 73%. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. I'm also going to watch McDonald's. Trading Fraternity talked about them. Good shit on Uber. Did you buy them would you swing them? Or did you buy them at 30, like at their flat point at like 30.70? Good stuff. I bet you bought a weekly call to day trade it. It's amazing. You should have gone in with Facebook. It's all right, Brian. It's all right, man. We got other places to make trades. It's looking good, but don't chase something because of FOMO. Apple's exploding. The money's coming back into tech, so we're looking good. We're looking good for SPY. That's why we can play SPY, because if all these companies are doing really well, we're sitting pretty. So SPY is almost a 337. It's crazy how much money we'd all have too if we just bought like a 330 call. Still Microsoft, Jose. Good stuff. I like that. They're on their bounce back. Appreciate it so much. Makes me feel 100% about what I'm doing. Oh, you got it, bro. That's what I'm here for. I'm literally just the voice. I'm literally everyone's voice in their head right now. Like, do I make this move? Do I sell now? And I'm just like, hey, take a step back, let some time pass, and then make your decision. I'm up $20 on SPY. So if you guys hopped in with me, we're up 9%. I wanted to buy 2 contracts. I'd be up 40, but I was like $100 short because I have so much locked into Spirit, so much locked into Starbucks. But Starbucks is going to be a fun day trade, I think, coming up really soon. But yeah, we're going to stay live. I mean, we got 23 viewers. How could I walk away from that? We're going to stay live until 11:30. That's so cool. Buying that weekly. So you bought right at the bottom, Lynn. Jeez. That's a round of applause for me. Beyond, what's up, John Stockton? That's my new favorite name. Oh my gosh. Will you start? I'd probably sell Starbucks around then, yes. Because I just want to get out. I'll probably sell Starbucks around 11:30. But if I hold it, I'll let everyone know. But I really want them to moon a little bit more. I'd love to sell this at like 70 a contract or even more and walk away with over $30 because I'm just day trading it. $16 with SQQ. I love that. Poncho. I'm going to call him the head. Yeah, that's Poncho. Ponchonator. The head poncho out here. Yeah, that's crazy. Russia claims they got the vaccine. I feel like that's just a flex. I feel like unless they do, round of applause. But Russia's just flexing on us. They're like, "Yo, Putin just comes out with sunglasses on up to the mic, and he's like, we got it," and just walks away. If SPY gets to 338.39, we might get to see a crazy move because that price. That's what I'm thinking. We could either see it bump up like crazy, like a launch, like the continuation, like we see with the airlines, or we could see it fall. I just can't believe it's gone up for 8 straight trading days. All right, let me actually check the Beyond for John Stockton. The freaking GOAT name in the industry. Oh, that's taken off. Whew. Beyond Meat is lifting. Dude, that's a great purchase. This is seriously probably the best time to get into Beyond. I think they'll shoot off back to the 130 to 130. Not today, but if you guys buy today and hold it for like 2 months, you could be sitting pretty with Beyond. If people are buying their contracts. I love that play. Someone else told me Beyond this week. Try my best. I'm just typing to my uncle who said thanks for the Dpst a couple months ago. Okay. So let's see. I'm up 112 on SPY. Amazing, man. You usually lock in at 20%. So is SPY over 337? I bet it is. If you're up that much, I just closed Robinhood for like 3 seconds and then everything's through the roof, I bet. Yeah, so they're 337.04. So this could be a great time to exit. I'm up 20. This is my 10%. I'm gonna let it ride a little bit longer till 11:30. I think if we see 337.20, I'll exit. Hopefully make 30 bucks here. But dude, Owen, you're in a great spot, man. You're up 122. You can definitely get out and say I had a great ass day trading, making over $100, locking in profits on a day trade. SPY's getting iffy. What's going to do this close to the high, and being that it's been running. So that's why yesterday, Josh, I told everybody who wasn't swinging it to day trade it, and today we were going to day trade it and just try to make a little bit. So good stuff, man. No, you're literally, that's how my brain works. I say that in the YouTube video I'm releasing tonight. Like I go so in depth about that. So it's crazy. So crazy. 25 viewers. Don't forget to like the stream. Get in the Discord. Make some friends. Let's make money. Like this is a great community. Thank you guys for all the support. The sub button's there if you have yet to hit that. I'll be live all week. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So let's just keep doing it, man. Trying to help you guys. Look at Starbucks is taking off. I'm up 15% now. Their share price, man, just move 15 more cents for me. Save's falling down again, so I might end up buying more contracts after I sell Starbucks. I might buy another one. Oh, I got to re-plug in my. I like this light though. This light's making some really good lighting. Did Facebook take off? Oh, it did. It's up another $1 from the last time we were talking. Dude, that's awesome. For anybody who got in, that's a good play. Good stuff, guys. Seriously. SPY 255. It's right at 337 flat. Wow. Yeah, Facebook. That was a good move. It did run. It ran from 259 to 265 today. Heck yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. That's great to hear, Miguel. Seriously. I'm just trying to educate. That's all I do. I'm just trying to educate. See, I got to plug my laptop in so it doesn't die. My phone's going to die. So I got to turn the light off, which kind of sucks. Actually, I'll just keep it on. Whatever. I have this extended plug. I'll use that. We'll turn that off. There we go. As long as you guys can still hear me, that's all that matters. I got to plug in my laptop before it dies. There we go. All right, so now we got everything plugged in. Up 18% on Starbucks today too with 1580. Think it could moon in the morning again. Dude, honestly, it could be worth eating the theta. I like Starbucks here. I'm just a little nervous because it was extended, but Starbucks should honestly be over. Wow, and JMIA's mooning. Wow. That would have been a good entry. I didn't make the call, but it would have been a good entry. I got to also plug my phone in. I forgot about that. All right, so now we got everything plugged into one outlet. Due for a power outage. So JMIA is also mooning. Save Spirit's coming back down, so I'll probably average my costs down. Looks like Starbucks is rolling back a little. I'm back to break even. So I mean, if you want to hold it into the morning, do that. I'm not going to. I want to day trade, secure my cash. Facebook did moon though. Wow, that is nuts. Up to 265.64. It had a run this morning. I wish I would have knew about it. I could have hopped in. SPY's looking good though. SPY's looking strong. But I'm really hoping Starbucks will swing back up. But yeah, if you want to hold Starbucks into tomorrow, you could. All right, Crafted Poseidon, I'm gonna check out your holding. $3.05 Facebook, right? Yep, Facebook. Let's check this out. 22 people. That's awesome. Thank you, guys. So it's worth holding 155. Or what'd you say? 119. Wow, 155. So yeah, you're only down 40. That's awesome. The delta and the theta. So Facebook would have to move another. Oh, you have until the 21st. Yep. Okay, so I'm on the right one. So I'm only worried about the Greeks for you. That's the only thing I'm worried about because the theta is minus 17. So every day that goes by, you lose 17 cents on that contract, and it's worth 78. And then, but the delta is 7. So every dollar it moves. So that's just not. So, I mean, you can hold it, but you would have to move up $3 a day just to outpace the theta. But you could do it. I mean, if you want to. I'm glad that you're up today, though. But try to pick something more in the money next time so that price movement actually makes you more money. That's all I want to. Yeah, I'm just gonna say that. I mean, I don't want. You didn't make a bad move, especially when Facebook was up a lot, because playing out of the money. But you're pulling for sure. Yeah. So that's just my opinion. And even if they continue to moon, and I just want you to hold it into tomorrow and then the next day, and Facebook's not literally back up. And you can always hop back into a closer in the money play and make more real money playing Facebook. Like if you find a delta of 30 instead of 7, even if you took a $40 hit and you move 200 into a delta with 30 and it moves $6, I mean, you could be doing really well. Instead of only making 42 cents on the contract and it moves $6, you'd make 180. So you got 28 out of Starbucks this morning, but they got me back to but they got me for about 150 last week. Feels good to take a little back. I feel that, man. I like that. That's awesome. I've only made money on Starbucks, knock on wood, but dude, I was playing Microsoft one week. I made 100 and then I re-entered the next morning and lost 190 a couple weeks ago. It was one of my bad trading weeks back in July. Dude, and I sat there with I was just like, damn, I made 100 and they just took that back and 90 more from me. So that was just fun to watch and just funny to think about. But we'll see. I like SPY movement right now. We are up 10%. We're up $23. So let's make $100 day trading today or close to, and let's grab another Spirit contract for the long term, the long game, and we'll play. We'll play and see. But Starbucks was a fun short-term day trade with the expiration of this week just for fun. This play was seriously, I have 3 contracts, threw in $150, and I'm up 7. I'm just trying to make 30 on it or 35 and get out and just say, hey, I had a great day trading and have more funds to come back with tomorrow. Good move, Poseidon. I think that's the move. Sometimes it's good to take our losses and reposition ourselves like Owen today. He took a loss on Facebook, but he repositioned by buying Starbucks today with me and SPY. He's up 23% on SPY and he's up 18 on Starbucks. So sometimes it's good to just take a loss, get right back into the game. But, you don't want to revenge trade, if you lose a lot. But, hey, it's all about making that money back if you lose it. That's what it's there for. So we'll see. We'll keep watching these stocks. We're having a great morning. Great morning trades. But yeah, SPY really took off. So I would be surprised if it doesn't pull back. Same with Docu. Docu fell. It was down to 192 and just mooned to 196 out of nowhere. JMIA 1770 and then Spirit's hovering at 1872. I like these positions, guys. I like them. My commissary low. So yeah, it's just crazy to watch these SPY plays unfold. I'm glad that we're in them. SPY, I'm glad we're in. Starbucks for fun. It's pulling back a little. I'm still at break even now, but I'm feeling pretty confident we'll see a little run. Feeling pretty confident about that. So that's kind of what my what I've been looking at. That options for the last, if you guys can see that. So 57, 261. SPY's launching. Dude, that's awesome. And then 180 on save. But that's why I was just bullish on SPY today. Even though Tech's the heavy hitter, Tech got crushed yesterday. We watched it happen. And then it opened low. And then also with all the beaten downs coming back, like financials with Dpst being big, I was like, dude, SPY is in a rubber band position of like everything that's supposed to happen happened. Let's hop in and rubber band ourselves to the top. So now I'm up almost 12% on SPY. I should have grabbed another contract and I'd be at my daily goal right now. But hey, we'll let it ride a little bit longer before cashing out and moving stuff around. But SPY is now at 261 a contract. We entered earlier. We're up 12%. I'm liking it. SPY's right in a good spot. So let me put my on SPY in real quick for SPY to sell for me at 265. But you guys can let it ride. Let it ride if you want. Seriously. I honestly am thinking about doing the same. I should. It's so hard to know what to do. Because I can always rebuy in if it falls again. But it's just looking strong. So I'll put it in at 265. I'm going to let the Discord know. Would you get in another contract midday? It's better to buy early, Andy, or Miguel Andy, or buy later in the evening. So SPY day trade sell in. And for me, feel free to hold. I'm just securing profits. So I can watch Facebook. Or Starbucks, sorry, not Facebook. Trying to secure $32 in profit. Yeah. And that's what's fun about trading SPY is you don't have to put up a lot of capital to do really well. So that's what I like about SPY. That's what I really, really like about SPY. So we're 1 penny away from executing the SPY and making $32. There it is. Let's watch my position. It should go to 0 contracts in a second. Come on. Oh, it's down to 263 again. So hopefully that sells. I do have my limit sell in. So it should sell here shortly. I'm liking it though. I am liking it. SPY is strong, guys. SPY is strong. And then I'll let you guys know when I sell Starbucks too. I really gotta pee. Oh, come on, Starbucks. It's looking good. It would have been so much fun to throw like 300 in when it was at 30 cents and right now just be doubled. She'd be like, oh shit, I played a weekly and day traded it. Didn't sell. The ones you buy later in the day, or do you keep those till tomorrow? So if I buy anything in Power Hour, I swing it into the next day to trade it, or like save. I bought Spirit so that I can hold this for like probably a week or two. Or if they, so this is how I trade. I set target prices, okay? I say I'm gonna buy SPY at 232. And then I put my limit sell in at a certain percentage of how much money I want to make. So I wanted 10%, I'm at 11.5, and SPY is strong, so I put my limit in at 265. They're at 258, they got up to 264. SPY is strong, it looked good. It's starting to pull back a little, which is totally natural. But I set a percent, I set a dollar goal, and I set a dollar goal for the day. And then I try to make that amount without forcing trades. So that's kind of how I trade. And if I see stuff like save, even though I paid a little high because I could get it right now for $60 cheaper if I would have waited. The reason I entered was because I play these long term. If they rise or fall, I really don't care. I care more about just being in them, in the sake that I open Spirit up tomorrow and the $20 call is 220, or in 3 days or a month. You know, like I had this until the 18th because I hurt myself on Berkshire by just securing at 52%. It's now like 300% return. So that's how I trade. That's why I do what I do is I set goals. I set dollar goals for the day, dollar goals for my trades. And then when I hit it, I secure it. And I've lost out on profits, but I've also saved my ass by just like SPY. If I would have sold it, I could rebuy at 253 right now. And it was $1 away from hitting my price. So I just try to manage my risk, make a little bit every day, treat it like a business. And if you do that, you can treat it like going to work. Like how much do you need to go to work in a day to make enough for you to survive? Or let's say you are at work right now and you're wanting to trade and you're just listening to my live stream, figuring out like when to sell and stuff. It's just like going to work. Like you go to work, you spend some hours doing it. How much can I make? And when you make good money, you're in a good position. Go out to eat, or well, maybe not with COVID. You can order some food. You know, it's like you made $30 a day, order $10 worth and put the other 20 back in or something, you know. SPY's riding again. I just want to build my Robinhood. I have other sources of income that pay my bills. So trading is strictly for me just to build my portfolio so that down the road when I want to buy a house, I can sell stocks. And when I want to buy other stuff, go on vacation, if I don't have enough in my checking, I can just sell stocks. Trade. That's kind of how I look at stuff like that. We've been live for over 2 hours. This is awesome. This is so awesome. So let's watch a couple trades execute, and I'll stay on live for a little bit longer with you guys. I just love this because it also just helps the YouTube channel, which is another thing I love to do for fun that I eventually would love to do almost full time, if not full time, if I can keep making good plays. That's what it comes down to. And just put out good content. So Apple pulled back a little, which is awesome. So now it can make another run. It made a straight $4 run. And I think that's why SPY moves so fast on us. So we're watching Starbucks still. It really hasn't moved from sitting there. I'm up $4. SPY's coming down, which is so natural. After the run it had, all these stocks, crazy. Amazon's making a run, which is pretty solid for SPY. JMIA is really running. Well, yeah, it's up to 1808. Let me check those options. I know you guys are asking about them. The August 21st ones. Okay, because I was looking at this option. What was it, 230 when I was watching it? And now it's 260. So that could have been a good entry, but not going to worry about it. All right, so SPY's climbing again. We're in a good spot. We're doing good, guys. I think it's a good, pretty solid day worth of trades. Thank you guys for 20 viewers. It's pretty cool. Just trading, having fun. You guys are making call outs. So yeah, I'll do some swings today though. I'm just like, I don't know. I'm getting nervous because the market has, look at SPY. Let's go to SPY. Can we go to SPY? Let's do it. Okay. SPY, SPY, SPY. Up, up, uppity up. Can we look at the 1 month chart and can we look at this? Oh, 1 second. Look, there is no pullbacks. I'm so freaking confused. Why is there no pullbacks? That's why I'm nervous about SPY. And it's literally just like, oh, we're going to go up. Oh, stimulus rumors, we're going up. Oh my gosh. SPY, man, no pullbacks. That's why I'm like all-time highs, and it's just mooning. So that's why I want to get out of SPY soon, just so I can move on with my day and come back to this around 3. Josh, you think SPY is going down? Yeah, we got to see Apple's looking. We just need Apple really and Microsoft to take over. They're 11% of SPY. Amazon's mooning, so that's why I'm bullish on SPY right now. Amazon's the next biggest holding in besides Apple and Microsoft. Amazon's the biggest holding in SPY. So those are the top 3 stocks that determine why SPY does what it does. If you guys want to index fund invest, check out the stock VGT. I have 1 share. I bought it before the market crashed. I'm up 16%. So if you're into index funds, which is like the slow, boring way to get rich, but it's a way to do it. Just to give you guys an idea, heads up. Just to give you guys a heads up. Thinking about a put for SPY, maybe 1, maybe. Oh yeah, I mean, you could. I just know that talks happen. I think SPY is going to keep shooting, but we are up a lot and it's super extended. It's really hard to tell exactly what to do because it would make sense, right? It would make sense, right, to buy a put right now. Got it? Because it's been up 7 days in a row. If you're playing a long-term put, but here's the thing: stimulus rumors go through, the executive order goes through, the airlines get bailed out, all that. $145, and well, it wouldn't happen like overnight, but you guys know what I mean, like over a course of a couple days. Because remember last week we were trading SPY calls for 329 and it's 337. I mean, I don't know. It's hard for me to buy puts. It feels dirty. It feels like when I'm buying puts, if it just feels wrong personally. But I buy puts sometimes. I made a lot of money buying puts on Facebook one day. We made like $100 in 30 minutes or something. Long time ago, like June. Way back when Facebook was only worth $210 a share. We bought like a 215 put on Facebook. I remember that. I could probably go to my trade and find it. Starbucks is just hovering. Damn, I really want it to break out. And then we can just get out and move on with our day. Thanks, Josh. For supporting the other Josh with this trade. Oh yeah, you got it, Ford. Just hit the sub button, get the Discord, and I'll keep teaching. I'm like the teacher that everyone wished they had in high school, you know? Instead of telling everybody to go to college and go into super amount of debt. I love college though. I went to community college, graduated in the spring. I'm like the teacher though. It's like, this is how you guys make money. Not this is how you do. Whoops. This is how you figure out the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Just trying to educate. That's all I'm trying to do. Man, Starbucks is just flat. But I'm really I like honestly expected SPY to pull back like this. Apple's falling, so when Apple starts to climb again later, SPY is going to shoot off again. I'm just really curious to see why Starbucks isn't doing anything. But we will see. We will see. You just bought a SPY call for cheap. Nice, Josh. Yeah, I think if you can get a cheap one, if you're looking to day trade or swing trade, what are the puts for? Is that more long term? If you are to buy a put, I would say, well, here's the thing. SPY, though, if you look at the last 5 years, there is no SPY except this last pullback where a put was like the best decision. I think you can make 5 good calls for every 1 good put on SPY. But if you bought a put at market open today, you would have made a lot of money too. So it's hard to tell. But SPY is just the old reliable. You don't have to worry about it imploding on you. You don't have to wake up and all of a sudden you're down $600. You're not playing SPY earnings because it's an ETF. It's just kind of a thing that we like to watch. Do you ever have trouble selling the calls in time? Yes, sometimes. The worst is when you're losing money. Dude, I swear I straight up lost like one day $80 because I put a limit sell in and then it just fell so fast. And I kept doing it and wouldn't execute. So if you're ever in that position, do like a market sell. Man, Starbucks, I'm down now. Down a couple bucks. It's down to 52. My average cost is 54. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe wait till the end of the day. Yeah, honestly, Josh, that's not a bad idea. Because even if Tex turns around, Tex all a SPY, but SPY also has the support of all the other industries. That's why, because like, I don't know, I don't like to only play tech all the time. They're definitely my favorite stocks to play. I just can't believe I missed Apple's earnings. I don't even know what I was doing. Like, I don't know how I missed that. How do you miss that? Okay, so my SPY contract just sold at 265, I think. So I'll continue to watch SPY with you guys. I could have gotten out too early. I just wanted to secure profits. When they hit 337.20, I sold. Just to let you guys know. There were 265. I made 32 bucks. I just wanted to secure profits, but you guys are still in a good spot if you're holding. I wanted to personally because that's just me. Mine sold. Good stuff, Brian. Dude, I have all these Snapchats. Where are they coming from? No one talks to me, and then all of a sudden everyone's texting me. This doesn't make sense. I love that. It's just the portfolio video. The portfolio is on fire, is what I'm saying. To one of my buddies, he sent me a video of his Dpst just up a ton. Good sell, guys. We made 32 bucks today. I'm just texting back a couple of my friends. Sold SPY. Sold SPY to everyone. It's hard to do the option lounge. It's hard to do. Sold my SPY at everyone. 12% return. Everyone else is killing it. I just want to say, yeah, good stuff, guys. I mean, SPY could keep running, and I'm not against you guys if you do. Like, if you guys kill it, yes, sir. You need another call? Just sold SPY. I'm going to wait till power hour. PM. Yeah, no, it'd be fun to make money 24/7 in the market, but sometimes you just got to take your profits and move on with your day. Good job, Owen. $100 profit on SPY. I love that. I love to see that. And then we can always make more tomorrow if stuff starts to fall, or we can always re-enter. Started to crash after we got out. We timed the bottom, well, almost, and sold out at what seems to be the top for now. But we could always re-enter SPY later. Power hour is 3 to 4. So I'll type that in the chat so people know. That's when stocks usually get traded heavily again, like it does between 9:30 to 10:30. Buy high or sell high, buy low. Wait. I don't know what that means. What am I saying? I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't even know what I was saying, yeah. Starbucks is up on the rise. So now we're just going to sit and watch Starbucks and save we have for long term. So if I free some money up, I'll buy another call right now. So I'm going to send it to the Discord. I'm just going to let everyone know that I'm 4 contacts deep in save. Here is my position currently. Long term. Hoping it works out for me. All right. If you guys have any other questions, just let me know. I bought another SPY contract at 175. Starbucks pulled back a little on me. I was really hoping to sell it 10 minutes ago, but worst comes to worst, we can just hold. Glad we got out of SPY when we did, because now you could always re-enter cheaper if you wanted or whatever you guys want to. I think we sold at literally the highest spot. Highest spot. Don't forget to hit the like on the live stream. Helps the YouTube algorithm. If you have yet to join the Discord, it's a great time to do that. So it's really awesome. But I think we're doing great. So I want to stream tomorrow too. I'm going to probably hop off here in about 6 minutes to make it a 2.5 hour stream. I know I was going to hop off at 11 and I stayed an extra hour. I just kind of have to pee really bad. And there's not many moves to make until power hour. And I'm going to be hanging out with a buddy, most likely around then, work on some music stuff. So I think the trades are good though. We're going to try to make some more cash. I hope the lighting's better now, though. I need to find like a really good desk lighting spot so that this looks awesome to watch. Then I can just keep live streaming all the time. So we have 820 subscribers, which is amazing. So I really thank you guys for that. We hit 800 yesterday, and now we're at 820. We're pushing for 1,000. I think we're going to hit it. I hope we keep making good plays, good cash, all of that. So I'll stream for 5 more minutes, and then I'm going to go. So for anybody still holding Starbucks, if you haven't gotten out, I'm still holding. I plan on holding for now. Let me check that theta again. It's 13, which isn't that bad. So you could always hold it into tomorrow if you want, but I'm going to probably swing it today. Hopefully it picks up during power hour. But we will see, you know. I'm hoping it does. But this is helping out the channel watch time so well, which is just going to be so good for the future streams. We're going to have more people in here chatting back and forth. I know probably everyone's from the Discord right now. I hope you guys are having a really good day. I'm just trying to spread some knowledge, make some money for people. So what do we make? 32 on SPY. So hopefully Starbucks I can make like 20 or 30. I'd be fine with making 70 today. We got the long-term spirit plays going. Subscribe. Thanks, Josh. I'm going to check out some vids today. I watched one yesterday, and that's how I got into this. Hey, man, that's amazing. Thank you. I'm really happy. What one did you watch? Did you watch the 100 to 500 video or how to trade options, or was it the one where I have a ton of losses? And I'm like, hey, guys, I'm down 1,000 on Spirit or something like that. Or it could have been the one where I'm up really big on Spirit. That one too. One of those. Those 4 are the ones that the YouTube algorithm picks up and like pushes out to people. But I really appreciate the support, Josh. It means a ton. Just trying to build a good community of traders, and you know, I try to make safe plays for everyone because I know everyone doesn't have like the big portfolio, and I'm not out here trading with like thousands on every play or anything. But I'll put a couple hundred into a really like a play that I am liking, something like that. So we'll check it out. Sending that to my buddy. Yeah, we're trying to make smart moves, good moves. A couple of my buddies saying they're selling DPST today. DPST to the moon, bro. Was actually about Disney. Oh, that one. Yeah. Dude, that one's getting picked up by the algorithm? That's nuts. Dude, I got screwed on that one. I lost like all my investment. That was like one of the worst weeks trading I ever had. I watched my spirit trades lose a ton, and then I lost a ton in Disney. If I was smarter, I could right now have like an extra $5,000, but I just screwed up a little bit. Yeah, it was an older one. I remember that video. What time is Power Hour Pacific? Noon to 1. Pacific Power Hour. Cash. One of my friends is saying to me, oh, shoot, do that. I'll come over today. Is that cool? It's like 4 p.m. Until then. Oh, shoot. Like 12:30. All right. Yeah, it was an older one, but let me check I'll do one more portfolio look before I hit the road. I'm going to see my sister. I guess they're making a Weeble account for her boyfriend. My sister's like, help. Do we do cash account or margin? He wants to start trading. Oh, man. It's funny. So Starbucks is just chilling where I bought it. I'm not really happy with that. I was hoping to make a little bit by now. Yes. Let's find some power hour swings for tomorrow. I like that idea, man. Let's power in. Well, we won't play power swings too big, but if we can find something that we like, we could swing it into tomorrow. Maybe play with like 200 or 300 of it, but I don't want to go like full on into one play. But we'll see what we can do. But either way, guys, I want to thank you for all the support. I'm going to end the stream after 2.5 hours. I pee so bad. So and I'm still drinking water. Who knows what I'm doing? Thank you for all the subs. I'll be in the Discord the rest of the day if you guys have questions. I appreciate all the support. We're building a real community here. So please hang out. Logan Ladge's Options Traders. We got shirts. If you guys want a shirt, I have one shirt left. I'll sell it to you, ship it to you, whatever. Just send me a message in the Discord. It's just my old logo. But I'm going to hop off. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Let's do another 2-hour stream. I'm digging it. You guys are amazing. Thank you, Josh, Owen, Joshua, Lynn, Brian, Miguel, KL Ford, Ponchoinator. I like that name. We got Onion, Aurelio, Christian, Alec, Miguel again, Alex V. I mean, all you guys. Ethan was here. Dude, everybody. I mean, Zach was here. It was going good. I think I answered Jabari, Jared, Sean, seriously, Odie, all of you guys. It's been a great day. So let's get at it again tomorrow. I'll update the Discord with what I do with Starbucks. So make sure you're in there. I will see you guys. Thanks for the stream. Respect, Owen. Just send me a message, man, on Discord. You got more questions. So Everybody, it's been great. I'm Logan. You guys are awesome. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully have a video coming out really soon, either today or tomorrow. So take care, guys.